Google's first foldable smartphone, nicknamed Pipit, will be unveiled soon. The Pixel Fold is expected to come with a more compact design than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, maybe similar to the Oppo Find N. It is expected to be named the Pixel Fold. Google's next Pixel 7 and Android 13 smartphones might bring the Pixel Fold to market. Google's Pixel Fold looks to be more like the Oppo Find N than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, as shown in Android 12 Leader's Beta 2 files under the codename Pipit. The Pixel Fold is smaller than the Galaxy Z Fold 3, according to Young. The ultra-thin glass layer that Samsung uses to make its own foldable more robust will apparently also be provided to Google, as per reports. Based on the most recent reports, the display will use LTPO technology, allowing it to scale up to 120 Hz. So according to data uncovered in the Google camera, the Pixel Fold will include a single 12MP rear-facing camera and two 8MP front-facing ones. Following reports, Google plans to introduce Android 13 and the Pixel 7 series in October 2022. Android 12 Leaders is scheduled to be released by Google in the meanwhile. We'd expect Google to allow stylus input if this is true, but for now, we'll have to wait and see. Google wants to separate the Pixel Fold from its competitors with a more compact form factor. However, the initial device was said to have many similarities to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Pixel Fold is expected to use a newer version of Google's Tensor SoC, which the company is currently testing. According to 9 to 5 Google, the Pixel Fold might cost less than the Galaxy Z Fold series, and more precisely about $1,400, which would be a nice step for the tech company. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.